So this is the kids' room. Open the door, Aiden. Let's go in and check it out. Did you get it?
Don't swim. We have a TV. Hi, hello. This is the girls' bed.
Hold on, hold on. How did you guys already choose beds?
This is the girls' bed. No, this is the boys' bed. No, boys sit next to the bathroom.
Okay, guys, tell me about your room. Wait, guys, one at a time. So, wait, whose bed is this? Who's sleeping here?
Me.
Where are the boys who are sleeping here? Let me see them. And who's sleeping on this side? The girls. Okay, so what else do you... What else do you have in your room? Who can tell me what's here on this table?
And these are glass cups.
And a TV and snacks. And what does this say over here?
Hi, hello.
And water. Do you guys have a bathroom in this room?
Yes.
Can you show me your bathroom?
Here's our bathroom.
Is the bathroom big or small? It's a big bathroom? Wow, I love it.
Look at the puppy.
You got a big bathroom on here. You need what? Yucky, Aiden.
And here is the shower.
And that's the shower.
Woohoo! I'm done pooping. I need to wash my hands. I'm just gonna go shower.
These kids are so silly. Okay, guys. Who knows where my room is?
Me.
Where's my room?
Number 15.
No.
What is this?
Oh, someone's knocking.
Well, okay.
Open it. So whose room is this? So excuse me, if this is my room, why is Aiden on my bed? Can you get off my bed, Aiden? Why is Aiden on my bed?
And Aiden was on me and Aiden's bed.
You on Aiden's bed?
No.
Okay. Guys, come. Oh, I have a great view. I can sit here and watch the cars.
You can sit down and watch.
Right.
See, she can go like this.
You can sit here and watch the cars. How awesome. Guys, where's my bathroom?
No, this way.
Where's my bathroom, guys?
Yeah.
Oh! Wait, this is a shower?
What's out the door?
It has, and it double connects?
And then look. Whoa.
This is a big bathroom.
I'm gonna walk through the shower.
Aiden is not allowed to poop in my bathroom. Aiden, no pooping in my bathroom. Yeah, you can go in circles. Babe, you like this room?
I love this room. It's beautiful.
Yes, it is. Okay, guys. Aiden is on my bed again. I don't know why.
Close that door and you guys are shut out of your room.
Uh-oh. How do you get back in your room? Uh-oh.
There's no doorknob.
How do you get in the room? So we have to go back around. You want the key? Okay, here. Grab the key.
This one?
I think so.
Come on.
You have to go back around to get back into your room.
Where's our room again? Okay.
And look, somebody left their luggage outside. Aiden, you can't leave your luggage outside.
Or someone will come and steal it.
Yes. Okay, now you're back in your room.
Hi.
Thank
Hello.
you. Aiden, is that your bed? So why are you jumping on it?
Hey, Aiden.
And I am back in my room.
Hi. No, Aiden, we're going live.
Okay, everybody come on, say bye.
Bye.
See you on the next
See you on the next room.
room tour.
In another country.
In another country?
Two.